Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for you all. Jeep is sending off the legendary V-8 Jeep Wrangler in the only way it knows how, with an absolute bang. Say hello to the 2024 Wrangler Rubicon 392 Final Edition. This beastly machine is a limited run masterpiece, and trust me, it's something you won't want to miss. All right, let's dive right in. Jeep has just unveiled the 2024 Wrangler Rubicon 392 Final Edition, and it's the ultimate send-off for the most powerful factory Wrangler ever. This isn't just any Jeep, it's a collector's dream. Starting at a jaw-dropping $101,890, it comes packed with all sorts of accessories and visual upgrades, and with only 3,700 units being made, owning one of these bad boys is a serious bragging right.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more videos and auto news. Let's keep it going.
Let's talk about the exterior first. The Final Edition comes with striking decals for the hood and front fender vents, giving it that unique, aggressive look. The 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels with a bronze finish add a touch of elegance and ruggedness all at once. And that's not all. It comes standard with a winch, a Mopar grille guard, and Mopar rock sliders. Jeep even throws in a 0.5-inch suspension lift kit, boosting the ground clearance to an impressive 11.5 inches. This Jeep is ready for anything you throw at it. Under the hood, this monster packs a 470 horsepower 6.4-liter V8 engine. That's right, 470 horsepower. In tests, this powerhouse rocketed from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.0 seconds. It's insanely fast for an SUV, let alone a Wrangler. But with great power comes, well, not so great fuel economy. At 13 mpg on the highway, it's clear why this might be the last of the V8 Wranglers. Now, step inside and you'll find a luxurious yet rugged interior. The black Nappa leather seats with gold stitching scream sophistication, while the special shifter medallion and commemorative plaque remind you that you're in something truly special. And for those who love adventure, Jeep includes a fold-out table and an 83-piece toolkit. It's like they've thought of everything. Jeep is producing only 3,700 units of the Final Edition. Of those, 3,300 are headed to the US, 300 to Canada, and 100 to other markets. So if you've got six figures burning a hole in your pocket and you're looking for the ultimate over-the-top Wrangler, now's your chance. Orders are open, but you'll have to act fast because these are going to fly off the lot. So there you have it, folks. The 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 392 Final Edition. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's a piece of automotive history. If you love this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome car content, and drop a comment below. What do you think about Jeep's final V8 Wrangler? Until next time, keep driving and stay adventurous.